Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Adobe software step by step clearly. First, research the overall performance of Adobe software in the stock market. Visit financial news websites and check the latest updates about Adobe. Look into Adobe's financial statements to understand its revenue growth and profitability. Analyze market trends in the software sector to gauge potential for future growth. Consider the competitive landscape by reviewing how Adobe stands against its competitors. Create an account with a brokerage firm if you don't already have one. Choose between a traditional brokerage or an online trading platform based on your comfort level. Make sure to fund your brokerage account by linking it to your bank account. Once the funds are available, search for Adobe's stock ticker symbol, which is Adobe. Review the current stock price and historical data to determine the best entry point. Decide how many shares you want to buy based on your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Place a market order or a limit order depending on your buying preference. Confirm your order and keep track of the transaction for your records. Monitor your investment regularly to follow Adobe's performance and market news. Consider using stop-loss orders to protect your investment from significant downturns. Review your investment strategy periodically to adjust based on changing market conditions. Educate yourself continuously about Adobe's initiatives and innovations that can impact its stock value. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.